Chef Pennington here. Today we're going to be talking about the perfect roast chicken. It is possible to roast a chicken perfect every time if you just do a few steps and you'll be golden. Trussing the chicken. There'll be a link below for a full video on how to truss a chicken. Trussing a chicken allows you to tie the bird up so that the thighs underneath will be able to golden brown up just like the rest of the bird. So here we go, real important. We need to keep the bird's skin dry. If we don't do this, the bird is just going to steam in the oven. And this is honestly overlooked quite a little bit by folks. And we're going to do it more than once just to really make sure that the bird is dry before we add our olive oil and butter. So do take your time, do as good a job as you can. Here we go, we're going to put some goodies inside of the bird. You could have done this during the trussing process too. So here I'm going to go with some classic flavors. I'm putting some thyme in there. Thyme and chicken are best friends, it's just really nice. We're going to put half of a lemon in here. Make sure you get it far up inside the cavern so that they don't burn. And a little bit of garlic. Who doesn't love garlic? Garlic's really good for you too. Alright, here we go. You might have noticed on the skin it's starting to try to sweat on us a little bit. It's a little bit shiny there, so boom, time to dry the bird again. So important. One of the things about chicken is they can take a good bit of salt. It's one of the few proteins that really applies to. Olive oil and butter. This is going to help the browning of the bird while it's in the oven. Alright, we're doing pretty good here. Alright, we're going to cut up an onion, and this is going to make the base for the bird as it cooks in the oven. So go ahead and arrange them however you like. We're just going to set the bird on top. Nothing has to be fancy here. This is going to allow for the heat and the convection while the bird's cooking in the oven to get underneath the bird. It's going to help create even cooking and browning. So onion and garlic there. Before it goes into the oven, we're going to add a little more salt and our friend pepper. We're doing good here, guys. This bird should taste really good. It's kind of simple too, which is really nice because if we're going to make a nice sauce or something like that, we want the bird to taste like chicken. So this extra butter here is going to baste it while it's in the oven. Real important, when you put it in the oven, legs to the back of the oven. The legs and the thighs, they finish at a higher temperature, internal temperature. Go ahead and place a meat thermometer in the chicken's breast. It's not required, but I like to pull the bird at 158, and then it rests outside the oven. It makes it to 165 done. In the description below, there will be a link to our website on the perfect roast chicken. Also covers the trussing and some other good tips and information. Please help us out and share on social media, and have a great day, folks.